Tang, tang, tang. Tang, tang, tang.
सुनो घंटी बजी स्कूल की, चलो स्कूल तुमको पुकारे। पल 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 रोशनी जो मिली स्कूल की, जगमगाओगे तुम बन के तारे।
टन, टन, टन. सुनो घंटी बजी स्कूल की, चलो स्कूल तुमको पुकारे। पल 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 रोशनी जो मिली स्कूल की, जगमगाओगे तुम बन के तारे।
Hello dear students, I am Shiv Shankar and I am your English teacher. Dear students, here I show some pictures. Can you identify and name them?
Yes, sir.
First one,
Sant Shishnala Sharif,
very good students. Second one,
Swami Vivekananda,
third one,
Gautama Buddha,
fourth one,
Jesus Christ.
very good students. These like so many great persons have given us a plenty of spiritual messages for better. Today we are going to learn a very interesting poem and also a spiritual poem. What do you mean by spiritual? Something related to God and good things for better. So let us understand this poem, Abu Ben Adam, written by J.H. Leland Hunt. Now we have to know about poet. J.H. Leigh Hunt, his full name is James Henry Leigh Hunt. He was born on October 19, 1784 in Southgate, England. He was an English critic, essayist, poet and also famous writer. Dear students, Abu Ben Adam was one of the most prominent saints. Let us now understand what is in the poem. Abu Ben Adam has the heavenly feeling of a devotee or a strong believer in God. He believed that not only loved in the God, but also loving people who believed in the God. God is great. Dear students, we all know that all the holy books teach us preachers some message, one single message, that is to love one another. This poem is also going to talk about the same message. So now let us read the poem and understand it. Here, Abu Ben Adam, written by Leigh Hunt. Dear students, are you ready? Abu Ben Adam, may his tribe increase, awoke one night from a deep dream of peace, and saw within the moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom, an angel writing in a book of gold. Exceeding peace had made Ben Adam bold, and to the presence in the room he said, "What writest thou?" The vision raised its head, and with a look made of all sweet accord, and answered, "The names of those who loved the Lord." "And is mine one?" said Abu. "Nay, not so," replied the angel. Abu spoke more low, but cheerily still, and said, "I pray thee, then write me as one of that love his fellow men." The angel wrote and vanished. The next night it came again with a great awakening light, and showed the names who love of God had blessed. And lo, Ben Adam's name led all the rest. Dear students, some difficult words are here, words to know, words and meanings. All of you ready? Tribe, people or clan, Budakattu Jananga. Lily, a pretty white flower. Bloom, open or blossom. Exceeding, more or great. Vision, seeing something or someone. Accord, agree or grant. Cheerly, cheerfully. Phenomenon, another human being. Vanished, disappeared. Low, a word used for calling attention. Dear students, some archaic words are in this poem. Now we will learn archaic words. Archaic means old English word. For example, thou, 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 you, neenu. The, you, ninna. Third one, rightest, right, verb form. Blessed, blessed. Nay, no. Have you learnt, children? Yes, very good students. I give you one activity. Here, are you ready, children? Read the following sentences so as to form a summary of the poem. Are you ready? Okay. First one. One night Abu ben Adam, may his tribe increase, awoke from a deep, peaceful dream. In the moonlight that was making his room as bright as a beautiful flower, he saw an angel writing in a book of gold. Second one. The peaceful sleep had given Ben Adam courage, and he asked the angel, bright as a beautiful flower. He saw an angel writing in a book of gold. What are you writing? The vision looked up, and with a sweet and friendly look answered, I am writing the names of all the people who love the Lord. And is mine one of those names? Asked Abu. No, it is not, replied the angel. Abu, still cheerful, spoke more low, softly, and said, then please put my name down as one that loves other people. The angel wrote and vanished. The next night, the angel came again in a great flash of light and showed the names of those who had been blessed by the love of God. And look, Adam's name was at the top of the list. Last one. Here, students, we are going to learn about a figure of speech, simile. A comparison of two different things by using the words as or like is a simile in Kannada, Upamalankara. Moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom. Here, brightness of the room is compared with the brightness of lily in bloom. I give you one homework. Here, choose the right answer and underline it. Here, the wish may is a tribe increase is for dash. The angel was writing in a book of gold dash. The presence in the room is referred to as dash. Nay, not so, referred to Abu being one among those who dash. Abu's name appeared first in the list of those that. Thank you, one and all.